This video discusses the technique used to see if two character arrays hold the same values. Now notice I said character arrays. This is a character array, not a string. Okay, so I've got name 1 and name 2, both character arrays, both 50 things big. They can only hold 49 characters because one of them has to be the null terminator. Hey, enter a name, and I use the send.getLine technique. I'm just going to say Abe. So name 1 is holding Abe, and enter a second name, and I'm going to say Abe again. And now I say if name 1 double equal name 2. Well, name 1's holding Abe, and so is name 2, but this test will fail. The test will fail because name 1, a character array without its brackets, really is the storage address of name 1. And name 2 is the storage address of name 2, and both these storage addresses are different. So while they both hold the same data, they're both stored in different places in main storage. So this test will fail, and it says the names are not the same. Now that's not really what we want. So how do we test to see if the character arrays name 1 and name 2 are holding the same value? We have to use the string comparison function. So strcmp name 1 and name 2. Excuse me. If this function brings back a 0, that means that name 1 and name 2 are the same. If it brings back a positive or negative number, they're not the same. Well, how does it work? Here's how it works. If I've got Abe in name 1 and Abe in name 2, it goes to the first character, the first A. 65 minus 65 is a 0. Let's go back. How about the B? 98 minus 98. That's the ASCII representation of a lowercase b. 98 minus 98, 0. Go to the next one. Lowercase c, that's 101 minus 101 is 0. There are no more characters. We need to bring back a 0. In this case, string comparison of name 1 and name 2 would bring back a 0. What happens if I had name 1 would be Chris and name 2 would be Abe? Well, the ASCII representation of the first C here is a 67, and then the ASCII representation of the A in name 2, Abe, would be a 65. That would bring back a positive 2, and it wouldn't test any more characters. The character testing would stop there because they're not the same. This would bring back a positive 2. Okay, now I could rewrite this test here. I could rewrite it using the string comparison function. If, open parentheses, string comparison name 1 comma name 2, that'll bring back a 0 if they're the same. If 0 is equal to 0, they're the same. And if this brings back, say, a negative or a positive number, say it brings back a positive 2, if 2 is equal to 0, that's not true. Names are not the same. So if I want to see if two character arrays are holding the same values, I need to use the string comparison function.